Welcome back to the ticket setup series. In today's session, we're going to continue the setup of ticket, and we're going to have end users create tickets and agents receive those tickets and work on them. On the left-hand side here, I have Adele. She's my end user. She's the one going to be submitting tickets to the business. And on the right-hand side here, here's Diego, and he's going to be receiving those requests from the business. We're going to work through a couple of day-in-the-life scenarios. The first one is going to be Adele's going to send a message over to Diego directly in Teams. Diego is going to churn that message into a ticket, and we're going to see them work back and forth all the way through the resolution of that ticket. The second day-in-the-life scenario, which is going to happen a little bit further in the setup series, is Adele is going to self-service inside of Tikit Virtual Agent, which is our end user application in Teams, and we're going to see kind of that similar experience. So first day in the life scenario, Adele's walked in this morning, her computer's running slow. She's gonna go find her favorite IT person, and she's gonna go message him directly. Now, Adele here can send a message directly to Diego, or she could drop a post into a channel. And when Diego receives that post or that message, once he right-clicks on that particular item, he's going to be given Teams and its millions of updates. He's going to be given 3 different options to do against that message. So the first is going to be the option to send the content of that message or that post to a knowledge base article, make it as draft, and make it available later to end users and agents. You can add that message to an existing ticket, or he can create a ticket in Tikit, which is what we're going to do here. Now, when you create a ticket off of a message, we grab information from the message. Adele's made the requester. She's the one that sent over the message. The message is brought over as a request title. Diego here can choose to append that if he wants to. He can also change the properties of the ticket that's about to be created. So he could change the status if he wanted to, the type from an incident to a service request. He could change the category, the priority. He could send this to other teams. So as you set up more teams that are other departmental service desks, you can send this to the different teams. I just have the IT team for now, so I'll send it over to IT and the service desk group. Now, when you create a ticket in Tikit, once the ticket is created, Diego here is going to be immediately notified of the ticket number. So ticket number 63 was just created. And what you're going to start to see on both sides of the screen are notifications that are going to start to surface. And this is where we take a moment and talk a little bit about Tikit and Teams across the agent and end user experience. So Tikit and Teams is 100% native. The agent, when they receive tickets and Teams, are going to work out of 2 different locations. So the first location is the teams and channels where we deploy ticket to. So we deploy ticket to the IT team. We deployed it to the service desk channel. This ticket's assigned to the service desk group. We're associating channels to groups. So we drop this ticket into this respective channel. Now, I'm also going to receive a notification in the Tikit app. The Tikit app is the agent app. We talked about that earlier. This is going to be personal to Diego. This is where he's going to receive updates for tickets that he's responsible for. And specifically with this notification, ticket number 63, it was sent to me because I'm a member of the service desk group. And all members of the service desk group received a direct message in the Tikit app letting me know that a new ticket was created, and here are some details of that ticket. Now, Adele is also receiving notifications. She's receiving them inside of Tikit Virtual Agent, which is the second app that we have for Teams. We talked about that earlier when we installed it. Now, Tikit Virtual Agent and Tikit are just chats that sit across all your other chats here. But we also let you pin these to the menu so they're persistently available, and your end users can see the different things that are happening across the tickets that they're the requesters of. Now, this is where I'm actually going to pause the video. We're going to go into the next setup section and talk about how Diego and Adele can chat back and forth all the way through the resolution of this ticket. And then after that, we'll go into Tikit Virtual Agent, do a little self-service, and show how Adele can create her own tickets without bothering Diego directly. Really hope you enjoyed the session. If you have any questions, please email team@cyerson.com.